Hey YouTube, I'm back with another video. It's going to be super quick. I'm going to do a very quick, what's this? I guess taking off my makeup. Well, this is the look that I just posted about earlier. And if you haven't watched that video with me surprising my subscribers with a new look, go ahead and watch it. But right now, I'm in the bathroom and I'm going to be taking off this. Oh, I look in the wrong place. I'm going to be taking off this makeup. So you guys are going to see how I take off my makeup. And honestly, I don't have any special products, honestly. I just be trying to get it off my face. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do. Okay, so if you are ready, stay tuned. Oh, these lashes ain't even want to come off. Let's start with these lashes. Ooh. Okay, next I have a little secret what I do when I put on heavy makeup. I will take like this polish, this sea mineral polish. I'm not really a products girl, to be honest. Once, oh, I keep looking around place. Once it say good for skin and okay for face, I just wash my face off with it. So this is the product right here. I put this all over my face because like washing it off or wiping it with makeup wipes, it takes too much wipes to be taken off a look like this. This is one of them high-end type looks, okay? This is plenty products that was used, so you can't be just using them makeup wipes and stuff like that. And honestly, I like using makeup wipes, but I don't know more. So I think I'm gonna title this video taking my makeup off with anything I can get my hands on. I think I'm gonna name that because I don't, it's quarantine. I am out of a lot of things and I just seen I got a traditional type girl. So let me wipe this off, rub this all over my face, wash this 3 to 4 times, and yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna get some warm water and wash my face. Wash it one more time. Oh my eyes. Wash it one more time. Make sure it's off. Gotta make sure. Get your lip, get your eyeballs, your scalp, your ears, your neck. Alright, that's it. What? Can't see. Alright, now let's wash. Hey guys, okay, so it's off. I still have a little residue underneath my eye, but I'm gonna clean that off when I get off the video. But anyway, this is how my face looks without the makeup. I'm still cute. So anyway, subscribe, like, comment, like my channel and subscribe to me, and I'll see you back with another video.